Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am trying to see if this goes lower. You know what? I might have to get my lower chair. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I wanted to do a quick video. If you guys are new, I'm Jaleesa Graham, and I'm a foster adoptive mama. This little girl, I might put her down because these days she is just a busy one. She is just a busy one, just a wiggling and moving. This is my foster daughter, and I'm gonna put her down because she's just moving the head. All right, so 1 second, guys, 1 second. Okay, so I put her, she's right here next to me in her little chair. So if you guys are new, I am Jaleesa Graham. I am an actress, model, foster mama, and I wanted to do this video because when I first started my channel, I feel like I used to do more like how-to videos and like how I do things with limb differences, and I just haven't done that in a while. And I have a friend that has a limb difference as well, and now she's expecting a baby, and she was asking me like a couple questions about how I do and how I've done like certain things. Like when I was pregnant with my oldest, Nicholas, I was like kind of nervous about like how I would do certain things with my limb difference. Hold on, y'all, because I have to acknowledge you guys have never seen me without my box braids, and look how long my hair has grown. So this is my natural hair. I don't have a perm, and I just got my hair straightened, and look how long it's gotten, guys. I couldn't ignore it. I have to just like adjust this first before I go on about the diaper changing. But like my hair has really grown. I've really like kept it in braids for like the past year or more. Obviously I like take the braids out, wash my hair, blow dry my hair, get the braids right back in, take them out, wash my hair, blow dry my hair, get the braids back in. So my hair has been in like protective styles of like knotless braids for a long time, and you can see like how long it has gotten. Like look, wait, hold on, let me show you. Look, guys, I have a hood that's kind of in the way, but like if you can see, look. Okay, look at it, look at that, look at that length. Okay, we had to just address that. Okay, let's get back to the topic. Okay, so I want to do this video because I haven't done a lot of like how do I do things with my limb difference videos. I'm going to show you how I change a diaper. Obviously, I'm not going to change my foster daughter in front of you, but I have this lovely bear, and I have this diaper, and I'm going to show you in case you are a limb different mom. I was saying like when I was pregnant with Nicholas, I was like nervous about how I would do a couple things, but honestly, like once you're a mom, whether you have a limb difference or not, as a mother, I feel like your motherly instincts kick in and you will be just fine. So if you're a mom, if you're expecting and you have a limb difference, you will be just fine. You don't have to worry, because honestly, your instincts kick in. And especially like me, when I have a limb difference, I honestly just adapt and learn how to do things in whatever way that works best for me. And that's what I do in every aspect of my life with my limb difference. I do things, it's just in a way that works better for me. I've done a couple of videos on my channel of like how I tie my shoe and things like that. So I just do it how it works for me. So let's get right into it. And this will just be a quick video of how I change diapers with a limb difference. All right, let's go, y'all. Okay, guys, I hope this is like an okay angle. You can see the bear, and I'm just gonna do it like right here. You can see baby girl's little feetsies here, just a kicking away. I'm gonna make her more comfy because she is on the move these days. Yes, mama. Yes, mama. You wanna let them see your feet? You gotta let them see your feet. Okay, so changing a diaper. Basically what I do, I would always, I don't know if you can see if I do it on the floor. No, so I'll just do it on my lap. That's fine. So put the blanket down. You're gonna put baby down like this. This is the diaper. So I have a limb difference, missing the lower half of my right arm, as you can see. So I'm going to open up the diaper. Wait, rewind. Okay. So I'm going to try to focus on the diaper. Okay, so we're gonna open up the diaper. Open it up. This part with the tabs, this will be the back of the diaper. So you're gonna lay this down like this, right? We're gonna hold baby's head and neck. We're gonna put baby in diaper. Now, I usually, so the baby will be like right here. I do a lot with this hand, right? So I'm going to, if you guys could see, I wish I had a better holder, but if you can see, just gonna pull it up, right? Or maybe let me go like this. I'm gonna pull the diaper up. I literally just reach around. So here's the sticky little Velcro part. I pull it open. I take my limb difference, go over, and I hold it down. And then I take this part, wrap it around. And then I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Uh-oh, mama. She's like, well, obviously I wouldn't have baby like this, but as for angle purposes, I'm going to open this like this, hold it down, hold it with my limb difference, and pull it over, right? And bam. Well, it don't look that neat, y'all, but we could fix it a little bit like this, make it more, okay? And that's basically how I change a diaper with a limb difference. Make sure it's on good, and voila. So I want to do this video because I initially like started my channel to do like how-tos with limb differences, like how I tie my shoe, how I put my hair in a ponytail, and I just wanted to get back to that because I haven't done that in a while. So that's why I did this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have a limb difference and you would like to learn or know how to do something, like I know a lot of people commented on my video when I did how I put my hair in a ponytail, because that was very helpful. I remember growing up and like really struggling to put my hair in a ponytail until I found a way that worked for me. So I would love these videos to be helpful to those with limb differences, so that you know you can like find a different way to do something and make it easy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yes, mama. Yes, mama. And I will see you all next time.